Hi sweet blossoms, I'm Nazanin. Welcome to my crochet corner. In today's video, we're gonna crochet these adorable little balls. Aren't they cute? I love them so much. And they're perfect way to use up your leftover yarns. It doesn't matter what type of yarn you use. Just grab the right hook for your yarn and start crocheting it. I'm using DK weight yarn with a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, and that's it. Let's get started. Make a slip knot on your hook, and after that make a chain 1. We're gonna make our stitches inside this one. Now we're gonna make chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrap a yarn around your hook 3 times. Insert your hook in the first chain, grab a yarn, bring it out, and pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Okay, we need to make 5 more double triple crochet in the first chain. Repeat the diagram. I make a double triple crochet in the ring like this. Wrap yarn around your hook 3 times and make your double triple crochet inside the first chain. One more. We're gonna make chain 5. Slip stitch the first chain. Again, make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat the diagram for the other side. Make 5 double triple crochet in the first chain. Now we're gonna make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A slip stitch in the first chain. Make a tight chain in the end. Cut the yarn a little longer. And now all we need to do is that wrap the yarn tail around the center a few times, like this. And tie it securely using the yarn tail from the beginning of your work, and make it tight and done. If you want, you can give it a few bursts of steam. The distance of 2 or 1.5 centimeter of it, and that's it. Now if you want, you can sewing it onto your favorite project, or glue it onto a hair clip, use it as a bookmark, use it as a hair tie, or attach it on the hair plastic, or I don't know, maybe sewing it onto a cardigan or jacket. And that's it. It's such a quick, easy, and practical little project. I want to cut it very close to the nuts. I'm gonna use it as a like this. And you know, you can make it smaller or larger simply by using thinner or thicker yarn. Okay, the hair clip, I wanna attach it with the glue here. Use my hot glue to fix it here. That's it. Let's testing it. Isn't it cute? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy crochet projects every week. See you in the next video. Love you all. Happy crocheting. Bye bye.